If you can drive here in Puerto Rico with a bucket truck, you can drive a bucket truck anywhere in the world, because this is the most treacherous terrain that we've ever had to encounter. Where we're at in Delmarva, it's flat everywhere, so we're not used to these mountains, and the mountains are treacherous. Getting up to Avenito and Barranquitas it's straight uphill, and with a bucket truck, it's daunting. It's a hard task, but we're trained enough that we know how to do this. It's been a very rewarding experience. Knowing that people have been out for 6 months, and just to see the pure joy on their face when we come down the street, knowing that their power is soon to get on. Actually, 2 days ago, we were at there's a restaurant that was running off a generator for the past 5.5 months. And every single person that was in that restaurant came out, and they watched us the entire time until their power went on. And they looked at us, and I threw the fuse in, they looked at us, and we said, flip the breaker. And when they flipped the breaker, it was just pure joy, excitement. Everyone was jumping, screaming. They'd never seen something like that before in their life. We actually saw a guy in a restaurant that was a major sergeant in the Army, and he said, "You guys are my hero." I said, "Well, you served our country." I said, "Thank you." He goes, "No, you're serving us people in Puerto Rico. Thank you. You guys are the heroes." That floored me. Like I didn't know what to say at that point. I'm like, I'm a lineman. This is my job. This is what they call me to do. So putting them on and seeing just the pure joy and gratification, it makes our job just that more important, and makes us know that we're needed.